Hey everybody, it's Ian Schwartz, and today I want to show you how you can find online job in 2023, in 2024 also I think. So the thing is that all of us need some job, because without money, how you can handle a good food? If you practicing yoga, you definitely need some food, you definitely need some space for practicing. So this is an important question. You also need some money for make something worthwhile in this world. So definitely this is an important question. So I will tell you only the thing that I already know how to do and how to use, because I don't want to share with you something that I only hear about. I want to share something that I already know. There is a website. Now I'll show you this website where you can find online job. You can find also offline job if you want. This website you can use in Europe, in America, in Asia. You can use it, I think, everywhere, but most of jobs are in Europe and Asia, but you also can find a good job in any other country, no problems. So this is the website. Here you can see the name of the website, hh.ru. So if you will open it in your laptop, I think that it will be in your language. Here we can see how many companies are here, how many vacancies are here. So 2 million, little bit more than 2 million companies. This is very good. So here you can find any job. For example, you have some skills, maybe you can write code. So then let's check how many vacancies they have. Oh, see, this is online. $700 you can earn in this vacancy. Here $1,000, also good. We can use some filter. For example, we want to see only online vacancies. Okay, online. And we have just little experience in writing code, a little bit more than 1 year. This should be online job. And let's see what we will have. Okay, around $1,000, not bad. $700, also not bad. $1,200. Maybe for some people, oh, this is very good. $2,500. $2,000. If you have just little experience in writing code, you can use this website and check a lot of vacancies like this. But for example, you don't have any skills. You cannot write code, you cannot translate something in few languages. For example, you don't have any experience, but you want to work online. Let's see what we will have. $400, $700. Okay. Oh, wow. You can make sales in online school and have $2,500. Also not bad. $800, $400, $900. Not bad. So you can find something. Oh, $1,500. This is a mountain rebels. So if you don't have any skills, you can find a job here. And if you have skills, you definitely can find a job here in any country. You also can use a filter for choosing a country. No problem with it. But the main thing is, even if you don't want to use this website, you can find some website in your country. I definitely know that there are a lot of websites like this. This website calls Headhunter. So they hunting smart heads. I already used this website, and I founded a few jobs where I can use both my languages and where I can do online sales, for example. So this is very useful if you want to travel and still have some money. This is very useful if you don't want to work in office, if you want to work in your home, and it really can save you a lot of time, which you can use for making something really interesting to you. So you can be translator, you can write code, you can do sales, you can do dubbing for videos, you can help with social media in Telegram, in YouTube. You can find some community there. And also, once again, I want to say that there are lots of websites like this. I also used Maldives website, but they mostly posting offline jobs, but it is also useful. I did this video this way because most of people who want to find online job in 2023, 2024, they actually don't have some super skills, or they have some little skills. So this is just an idea how you can find something if you want to find online job. And once again, money is very important for all of us, because this is a time in which we are living, and I want everybody to have some good money. So for the start, it is very good that there are such websites, and we can use it for our profit, for our benefits, for making our lives better. And you also can use it. I think everybody should have enough money for living well as soon as possible, because till we didn't fix this problem, we will not pay attention to the really important problems in our planet and in our lives. So let's fix this as soon as possible. And if the video was useful, please like it and make some comments. Please subscribe, and see you in the next video.